Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to file back taxes yourself. Start by gathering all your financial documents for each year you need to file. This includes W-2 forms, 1099, and any other income statements. Don't forget to find records of potential deductions and credits. Having everything organized upfront will save you a lot of time and reduce stress throughout the process. It's a crucial first step to ensure accuracy. Next, you'll need to obtain the correct tax forms and instructions for each unfiled year. The IRS website is your best resource for this, offering forms from many past years. Make sure you download the exact version corresponding to the year you are filing. Carefully reading the instructions will help you understand specific rules and avoid common errors. Now it's time to complete each tax return. Take your time to fill out every section accurately. Double-check all your calculations and ensure all information is correctly transcribed. If you're unsure, tax software can sometimes assist with prior year returns, offering helpful prompts. A thorough review can prevent future issues and ensure you claim all eligible benefits. Finally, you'll mail your completed tax returns. Each year's return should be sent in a separate envelope to the IRS. If you owe taxes, include your payment with each respective return. For your peace of mind, consider sending them via certified mail with a return receipt. This provides proof that the IRS received your documents, which is very important.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.